Can I pay Transamerica life insurance online? Yes, Transamerica allows policyholders to make online payments for their life insurance policies. Their digital payment options provide a convenient and secure way to ensure timely premium payments. Below is a detailed guide on how to pay your Transamerica life insurance online and what you need to know. 1. Online payment options available. Transamerica offers multiple online payment methods, including credit debit card payments and electronic bank transfers, ACH. Some policies may also allow autopay to help avoid missed payments. 2. How to make an online payment. Step 1. Visit the official Transamerica website and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments or Billing section. Step 3. Select your preferred payment method, credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Step 4. Enter the required payment details and review your payment. Step 5. Confirm your payment and receive a transaction receipt. 3. Setting up automatic payments. Transamerica provides an autopay feature that allows you to set up recurring payments from your bank account or credit card. This ensures that premiums are paid on time and reduces the risk of policy lapses. 4. Paying through the Transamerica mobile app. If Transamerica has a mobile app, policyholders can make payments directly from their smartphones. The app typically includes payment options, policy management features, and payment tracking. 5. Payment confirmation and tracking. Once an online payment is made, Transamerica provides a confirmation number and email receipt. You can track all past payments in your online account for reference. 6th, alternative payment methods. If you prefer not to pay online, Transamerica also accepts payments via mail, phone, or bank transfer. These options may take longer to process compared to online payments. Paying Transamerica life insurance online is a secure and convenient way to manage your premiums. With various payment options, automatic payments, and mobile access, policyholders can ensure their coverage remains active without hassle. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.